Good morning, welcome to BTHQ Banter. It is week 51. It is Christmas jumper day here in the UK, so I have my Christmas jumper on. We've got a really lovely day today. We have 3 fabulous ladies in hot desking today. We've got some lady skater dresses being made and some Christmas tops, I think, as well. Catherine and I are going to be busy getting your orders out to you today. And I'm busy behind the scenes with my new brand, Mrs. Mac, which launched yesterday with our new Facebook group that opened, and lots of other exciting information. There'll be more about that coming, but I'm going to keep it separate from my Beautiful Things business, so you won't hear about it very often. But if you are interested, go along and find me on Instagram or on Facebook, either my personal profile on Facebook, which I think is linked down below, or my personal Instagram, which is Mrs. Mac_me_time. And if you want to find out more about how you can get some me time for yourself, you can sign up for that. So yes, all very exciting. Busy day. I'll see what happens and take you with me. Kate and Mandy have finished their skater dresses, but I'm going to be using Mandy as an example. Mandy printed her pattern, but she didn't measure her test square. Did you, Mandy? So spin around, because whilst your dress is beautiful, it's a little oversized. So what Mandy's going to do is unpick it and lay the correctly printed pattern pieces onto the fabric and re-sew it. But it is lovely. And Kate's finished hers. Gives 12. Looks amazing with those boots, particularly, Kate. I think it's wonderful. Well done. Just remembered to pick the camera up as I was going out the door. Really lovely day today. As you saw, everyone's been super productive. Leslie made 2 t-shirts as well, but she did finish them, but she didn't, they were blur, 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 blur. She did finish them, but they weren't for her, so she didn't try them on. And I completely forgot to take pictures of them, but I'm sure she'll post them in the group at some point. And she's a very active member in there. So yeah, I'm gonna go home. I've got a live Zoom with my Platinum Sewing Club members tonight at 8 o'clock, which will be nice. And then I'm going to attempt to crochet together my cardigan, which I have finished all the bits for. It just needs to be joined together, so that's the plan for this evening. Then I'm back in tomorrow with little Miss Mac tomorrow. She's on board as helper extraordinaire for another wreath class, and then just an afternoon with the shop being open. So we shall see what happens, and I will see you then. Bye. Good morning, it is Saturday. Welcome back to BTHQ. It's the last full day that I'm going to be open this side of Christmas now. Although we will be here all day next Saturday, I won't be. So the shop itself won't be open all day, but we're open all day today, so I'm hoping to see lots of people coming in to pick up bits and pieces. I've got my little helper in the corner over there today. And we've got our wreath making workshop in full swing this morning, so let me take you in. Everybody's super busy in here. Say hello, everybody. Lovely wreaths. We're at the foliage stage at the moment by the looks of it, not actually adding any pretties just yet, but they are all looking super duper.
This one's looking perfect.
We have a bit of competition here between these 2 lovely ladies. Oh, do we've worked out we need a certificate, don't we, for yours when it's finished?
Yes, please.
Okay. Well, it has to be the best in the room. I'll get Izzy to judge it later. She can come in when there's no one here. She can come and judge them all. So I'll pick the winner, she says. Here they come with their wreaths. Out they come with their wreaths. Do you want to come and kind of congregate over there? Come along, Julie. It's like a little procession as they come out the doors. Here comes the wreaths. Oh, good. Photo taken. You may return into the warmth, ladies. end of Saturday. I have taken the gazebo down outside. That's going home, going up in my garden so that I can have a few drinks with a friend tonight. Lovely wreath class over and done with, as you saw. Packaged up your orders, got ready, put some bits on the website, put some new events on the website, and now it's time to go home. I'll be back on Monday for a brief tidy up and a little bit more administration, and that will then be the end of another BTHQ week. So I will see you then. Have a lovely weekend. Good morning, it is Monday. Welcome back to BTHQ Banter. I'm just here for 2 hours today just to open up the shop for click and collects, and also Mum's going to come in and help tidy up after the wreath workshop because again it looks like a pine tree threw up in here. Other than that, I've just got some orders to package and get out. I've got my little helper with me again today. I made the decision not to send her back to school this week. I know, but I'm pretty sure I'm not alone in that decision. There will be lots of parents in the UK wanting to make sure that their Christmas is a decent one and that we're not all having to lock ourselves up and isolate. So that is my plan for the day. I doubt very much I will come back on here unless there is something amazing other than to say goodbye to you, because you don't need to see me packing orders and hoovering. I'll see you soon. BTHQ is all clean and tidy and I'm going home, so I'll see you all again next week. Thanks for watching. Bye!